In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block websites in Google Chrome. If you want to prevent access to distracting or unwanted websites, using a Chrome extension is one of the easiest ways to do it. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, visit the Chrome Web Store by searching for it in Google or opening it directly in your browser. When the Chrome Web Store loads, click the search box and type block site. Select the block site extension from the search results to open its details page. Take a moment to review the extension information, then click Add to Chrome. When the confirmation window appears, click Add extension to install it. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. After the installation is complete, you'll see the block site icon in the top right corner of the browser. If it's hidden, click the extensions icon and pin block site to your toolbar for quick access. Now click the block site icon and complete the initial setup if prompted. Once the extension is ready, open its settings and go to the block list section. Enter the website address you want to block, such as a social media site or any other website, then click Add Item or the plus button to save it. To confirm that the website has been blocked, open a new tab and try visiting the address you added. If everything is set up correctly, block site will prevent the website from loading. You can return to the block site settings at any time to add more websites, remove blocked sites, or change your blocking preferences. That's how to block websites in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.